Hey, Space Cadets! Strap on your jetpacks, because we're about to defy gravity and those pesky alien attackers in space jumpers. Now, while there are lots of great platformers out there, get ready for one with a seriously social twist and some truly intimidating bosses. We're talking platform hopping, laser blasting, and outmaneuvering extraterrestrial baddies that'll have you screaming pew pew at your screen. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aliens, intimidating bosses. Sounds like a one-way ticket to space dust. But fear not, brave jumper. We've got power-ups galore and health boosts to keep you in the fight. Just remember to aim true, because these bosses aren't pushovers. They're like supersized, extra angry space piñatas filled with, well, probably more angry aliens. Space Jumpers takes inspiration from those classic arcade games where the only goal was to blast everything that moved. We're bringing that non-stop, adrenaline-pumping excitement to Meta's Horizon worlds. But hold on. This isn't just a solo mission. This, my friends, is a social platformer. That's right, forget lonely spacewalks. Grab your crew, because jetpacking through space is 10 times more awesome with friends. Team up to take down those intimidating bosses. Trust me, you'll need all the firepower you can get. And some power-ups? They won't even work unless you and your buddy approach them together. There's even a health creature that requires a buddy-buddy system. Don't forget to brag about your epic scores on the leaderboards. So, jump in, team up, and show those extraterrestrial troublemakers who's boss in Space Jumpers. It's a super social, super explosive, super fun platformer you won't want to miss.